turn it down to 18, room temperature 28. That one brings more light in. I should turn them up really. But anyway guys, here we are. I am showing you outside there by the way. We're back over Walna Scar. The time is 12, quarter to 12, Wednesday the 5th of November. Can you see what you're doing there, Loki? My eye. See some lights over there, let's go and have a look. I think they must be camping. What I've done guys is, instead of climbing up onto my roof to put the heater on, I've got a little gadget thing there that loops out of the wheel. Take it. Fucking hell, I can't remember, like a table thing anywhere. And that diesel tank sits lovely on there. Heat cable straight in. Know what I mean? Right, where's these dogs at? Let's go and have a look what these lights are over here. I'll tell you what anyway guys, it's supposed to be a full moon tonight, but we're not going to say nothing. We'll try and get a photo of that down there. Well, there we go guys, it is now 1 o'clock in the morning. It is now the day after bonfire night. Fucking hell, I'm not tired, I don't even know what date it was. It's now the 6th of November and it's still cloudy as hell. We were here 6 days ago. Nowhere near as windy, no rain, just big clouds, but we better prepared this time. We've got the diesel heater running there and it's roasting in here. it's down to 27 degrees. I've got the temperature set down to 18. It's on level 1 and we cannot get it down. It's 27 degrees in here, so it's going to be toasty. I mean, I'm only here because I'm risking the weather forecast. Oh man, the weather forecast reckons it's not going to rain tomorrow. Might be cloudy, but this car park here, I don't want to come back to this car park. It's a bastard of a little, just under a mile road to come into this car park. Nah, steep, very steep. So I'm gonna get this done tomorrow, regardless, like rain, shine, fog, cloud, not bothered. I'm gonna get round, get them ticked off, and get them to the location, because this car park's a fucking bastard of a climb, like, coming through. I mean, we've come through on the night, obviously it's dark. Driving through some fucking flooded roads, mind. I mean, we'll be going home tomorrow after we've done our walk, so we'll be able to see what we're driving through at night. We'll be able to see it tomorrow when it's light. So apparently everywhere there's loads of flooded places in the lakes, and we decided to come over. But anyway, I'm stocked up, the van's prepared, we've got water, we've got filters, we've got food. So if it does come to the worst, we can rough it out for a few days, like. So guys, I shall bring you back. It's sunrise.